Welcome to Master Concepts in Chemistry. In this lesson, we want to learn how to calculate the density of an object when a mass and volume are given. Okay. So to solve such problems, you have to always recall the density formula. Okay. So let's go ahead and read the problem. So the problem says that determine the density of an object that has a mass of 149.8 grams. So the mass of 149.8 grams and a volume of 12.1 mils. Okay, so we're asked to report the density of this object in grams per milliliters, so grams per mils. So as you've seen, the mass is in grams, the volume is in milliliters, and we asked to report our density in grams per mil, so we don't have to do any unit conversions. Okay, so so the units are in the form in which we want them. So to start, you have to recall your density formula. So D equal to mass over volume. Okay, so our mass is 149.8 grams and our volume is 12.1 milliliters. So once we divide, we're going to get 12.38 and so on, but I'll just cut it at an 8 because if you want to express your number to the correct number of significant figures, you have to look at the numbers that you have in the mass and also in the volume to see which one is the least, which one has the least number of significant figures. So if you look, you notice that the least number of significant figures is the volume, which is 3 significant figures, and then the mass is in 4 significant figures. But since, of course, the volume is the least precise, our final answer should reflect the number of significant figures in the volume, which of course is 3. So that means that to report our answer to the correct number of significant figures will be 12.4 grams per mil. So again, we are ending at 3. That is where our third significant figure ends. So since the next figure is 8, which of course is 5 or more, we round it up to 1, and then we add it to the 3, so making it 4. So our density is 12.4 grams per mil. Okay. So this is about how straightforward density problems can get. So here you don't have to do any unit conversions. You just have to plug in your values into the density equation and then just proceed.